Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question: is the application for your earbuds Edifier Neo Dots available on your iPhone? So I already installed the application what Edifier offer for the earbuds. It's called Edifier Connects. I need to open it and I already set up it. Now right here in the application we can check available devices. So go to the three lines at the right top and you need to select TVS series. And right here we have earbuds. So our model is Neo Dots, and if this application available for this earbuds, we will see them at the device list. So right here we're having it and we need to scroll down, and right here I see Neo Dots. So my short answer is yes, the application for your earbuds available on your iPhone. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!